So we've got a snowstorm coming. Not just a little snowstorm, but a big one. They're saying that this is probably the worst snowstorm that we've had in 2 decades. So how do you prepare for a snowstorm of this magnitude? Well, it's not buying a case of beer and hoping the boss tells you you've got the day off. When you have a snowstorm of this magnitude coming, you need to be prepared. So this is what I've done. I've got the wood stove all heated up, got a nice fire going in there. I brought in, a good chunk of firewood. I've got it inside the house. Nothing worse than having to trudge out to the shed to grab your firewood. Grab some extra wood, have some wood in the house for 2 or 3 days. Make sure that your propane is topped up. Make sure that your vehicles are topped up with fuel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clear a path with my snowblower out to the road, and then I'll take care of the driveway. By doing that, if I ever have a problem, let's say if I need to get out to the road to hitchhike into town, or if there's an emergency, at least get yourself some access to get out to the road.